Hi, my name is Vera and I'm the Center Manager for Hummingbird Nursery Bay Square, and today we'll be talking about fussy eating. For more educational videos, please subscribe, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you. First of all, we need to understand the reasons why children are showing signs of being fussy eaters. It might have to do with clinical aspects for which we always advise parents to seek advice from the doctor, and it might be related to sensory processing disorders. Most of our children, however, are a bit easier to handle, and it has to do with organic development processes regarding, food textures, or not liking the smell of the food, or actually not just being hungry and we're just feeding them at the wrong time. At school, teachers have a bit more help in dealing with this, because we do have teachers who are trained in identifying potential issues, along with our nurses. Everyone is quite trained in helping children. At school, we have other help of staff, teachers and nurses to help build awareness around different kinds of food. We do have a catering with child-friendly menus. They're very yummy food, so children actually find it yummy, and the fact that they are eating with each other, they serve as each other's role models. One of the things that can help children enjoy food more is to build role play activities around. So there's lots of food items, toys that we can play with. We can pretend to be making pizzas, dress up as master chefs, and activities that children will be engaging in role play activities. So they always enjoy. You make it fun, and you actually help your child understand the name of food items, what they can do with them, from soup to salads, and children really enjoy it. It's also very important for us to respect children timings, because sometimes we are feeding them at wrong timings, and children are really good at self-regulating. So they will show signs of being hungry, so we just need to work around while we are introducing new foods, for example. In terms of social emotional development, it's really good to help children explore by themselves and not try to force feed them at all. It never helps, so children will be enjoying their food more while they explore, and they are, toddlers are really curious and their explorative impulses are really strong. So if you make it fun and stimulate their curiosity, they might just want to try it for themselves, rather than just, saying, no, I don't want to, because they're just being fed. We know fussy eaters can be quite stressful at home and give hard time to parents, because you're so worried in giving children the right nutrients for them to grow up in a healthy way. But just keep strong and have patience and try different foods every day. Don't forget to bring the fun. Children will enjoy a relaxed parent at meal times. You can also lead by example, always offering healthy food. So just be patient and wait for your child to grow, because it's a phase and they will get over it.